Good morning, Lions. We're out here on a rainy day to do another science experiment for you, and it is called your own personal lava lamp. So our first step is, do you want to go over the materials they're going to need?
Sure. First we need oil, vegetable oil. This is canola oil. We're going to need an Alka-Seltzer tablet, one. We have food coloring, and we have water and
Now,
jars.
the directions say you can do this in a water bottle, so you can close it up. We're choosing to use jars because we don't have any water bottles, because we don't use water bottles.
Right, and you can see it a little bit better, I think, in here.
And-
But the water bottle, you can close it up and you can shake it up again and use it again.
Yeah.
But we don't need to use it again. So for
we'll-
our purposes, it's perfect.
We'll put the directions on the video so you can see it as well. But the first step is you're going to put oil into your container. How much oil do we do? About half?
Well, not half, because you're going to want to put some water in it, and then you want a little space.
Okay.
So you really have to just eyeball it.
So a little less or a little more than half?
This one actually has.
You have more oil than me. I don't know
gave
if I
her
like
mine.
that. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Okay, the second step is you're going to pour the water. Now, before we do that, you're going to predict if you think the oil is heavier than the water. So by heavier, we mean one's going to be on top of the other. One's going to float on top of the other.
Right.
So you're going to predict which one you think is going to end up on top, the water or the oil. And let's see. Okay,
Ready?
ready.
And you also don't want to fill this up to the top either. Just give it a little bit of. Oh, see what's happening? Give a little bit of air into the top.
So as you can see, there's two different colors. The oil is the yellow part, and then the water is now at the bottom. So that means what, Miss Beavis? That means that the oil is lighter
Right.
because it rose to the top. The water is heavier and sunk down.
Correct.
And they are separate. They don't mix together.
No, oil and water will not mix. So that's why there's a. You can see. Can you see it? You can see the clear and the yellow. There's a pretty good line. There's bubbles there, but there's a pretty good line. They will not mix.
That's an old saying, oil and water
Oil
don't
and
mix.
water
And it's actually scientific.
It's true.
All right, next step.
So we're gonna choose a color. Color?
I'm going to do blue.
I like
For the Dolphins. They got a good quarterback in the draft.
That's important in science.
It is very important. How many drops, Miss Beavis?
I think our last experiment we tried 15.
15. All right.
But again, you're gonna eyeball it. Whatever's fun.
Okay, so that's interesting. The food coloring became little round droplets, and they never separated. And they are now laying on top
Can you see?
of the water. So we have oil. That's the lightest. Then we have the food coloring droplets that haven't mixed together yet.
Right.
And then we have the water. Very interesting.
So now we're gonna mix it.
I think I'm not going to mix mine just to
Okay.
give a different variable to see if anything different happens.
Excellent.
So she's going to mix it up and break those droplets up so they now will mix with the water or the oil. I don't know. Or both. No, just mixed with what? The water.
See it? All right. You
All
try
right.
to mix yours or
So,
no?
no, I'm going to see what happens to mine if I don't mix it.
Okay. So you're gonna take the Alka-Seltzer tablet out. You're gonna break it into as many pieces as you want, and then you're going to.
I'm going to bake mine in 4 quarters.
Okay. Drop it in. Oh, that looks really cool.
It looks in, oh, it's actually mixing it for, oh,
That's really cool. That one looks really cool. Mine doesn't look as good. Maybe I shouldn't have mixed it. That came out really good.
should I put another one in?
Try again.
I like the, oh, look at that, Miss Beavis. Those
Why
are
isn't
gorgeous.
Why isn't mine getting exciting?
Ooh, wow, this is awesome. Look at,
Oh my gosh!
I'm going to drop one right there so it really
That is
starts
so
reacting.
cool. Oh. Stop. Oh. Oh, look. Wait. Look on this side. It's like a
Oh, no, that
little storm.
it is. Oh, and it also, you can hear. Can you put the camera a little closer? You can actually hear the gas
On the top.
releasing, because this Alka-Seltzer is the gas. You can actually hear it. Wow, ooh, that's a good one. There we go. We got some good chunks going. So you're having a chemical reaction with the gases in here pushing up the blobs through the oil.
And it's still not mixing. The oil and the water
They
are
still
not
won't
mixing.
mix. It's traveling through them, but it's not mixing. So if you did this in a water bottle, now you could cap it and keep it for the next.
Actually, we could put a top on that one.
Yeah,
and
we
save
could.
it.
And then whenever you have these Alka-Seltzers and you want to redo the chemical reaction or the gases being released, you just take off your lid, drop it in, and fun starts all over again.